For number 3 in your Chapter 5 lab, we're told that it is known that women have normally distributed heights with a mean of 63.6 inches and a standard deviation of 2.5 inches. Okay, so those are the two population parameters that we need. I'm going to use StatCrunch to randomly generate 100 values from this normally distributed population. Okay, in your lab you're going to have to randomly generate 500 values. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to click on Data and Simulate Data, the same screen that you got the discrete uniform information from, and I'm going to click on Normal. It's going to ask for the number of rows. Okay, so I want to generate 100 values in a single column. And then here's where you put in the population parameters. Okay, the mean was 63.6 and the standard deviation was 2.5. And click on Simulate. Okay, close out that window. Okay, so you'll see that I've got 100 values that have been selected from a normal distribution with a mean of 63.6 and a standard deviation of 2.5. Now, to be eligible to be a Rockette, you need to be between 65.5 inches and 68 inches. Okay, so to get the empirical probability, I'm going to count how many of those values in my column actually fall between the values 65.5 and 68. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to sort the data. Okay, so click on Data and click on Sort and choose the column. Okay, the reason why I'm doing this is that it'll make it easier for me to actually count how many values fall in that interval. Okay, so all I would have to do is scroll down until I get close to 65.5 and make note of the row. Okay, it's kind of far down there. Okay, so 65.5 starts at the 74th row. Okay, and then 68 inches starts about the 97th row. So I want to take the difference between those two rows, and it's going to tell me how many fall in that interval. Okay, so I would then take that total and divide by 100. In your lab, you're going to do the same thing, but you want to divide how many fall in that interval by 500. You're also expected to find the theoretical probability. You're going to have to use the skills you learned in Chapter 5. You're either going to have to standardize those values and use your standard normal table, or you could put that information directly into your calculator.